bag. Look, he wants cake. Let's see what you got.
Oh, you got the cars?
Here, Mom. Here, stand up. Stand up and open this puppy up. You taking one?
Let's see what Bear got for his birthday.
Oh, you're doing video?
You don't have a birthday pretty quick.
What is it, Bear Bear? What did you get? What did you get? What is it? Oh, is that what you wanted so bad?
I want that!
Is that the devastation gift from the other day? Can you say thank you, Mama and Daddy? You're welcome. Thank you, Daddy.